Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shubh Arora, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce, JIMS Greater Noida. Once again, I welcome you all back to the lecture series of the subject Advertising and Brand Management. We are currently on the second unit of this subject and today is the third lecture. And the topics which we'll be discussing in today's lecture are we'll be talking about the advertising budget. What do we actually mean by the advertising budget? Then we'll be discussing about its objectives, and we'll be also talking about the procedure of preparing an advertising budget and the different methods of advertising budget. Let's first talk about what do we mean by advertising budget. So basically advertising budget is an estimate of an estimate made by a company of the promotional expenditures which the organization or the company is going to incur over a certain period of time. So basically an estimation of expenditures to be done for advertising activities, right? So this estimation of expenditure for advertising activities is when done and planned is called as the process of advertising budget, right? Here, so when creating an advertising budget, a company must try to weigh or measure the value of spending on advertising against the value of actual revenue which will be gained to the organization after giving ads or after investing money on ads, right? So an advertising budget is an amount set aside by an organization planned for the promotion of its goods and services, right? So basically when an organization keeps a certain percentage of its profits or certain percentage of funds available in the organization, and that percentage of fund is set aside to be spent on giving ads. So that is when the organization is trying to plan how much to be spent for the promotion of the goods and services which that brand is spending, which that brand is selling in the market. Now we talk about the promotional activities include conducting a market survey, getting ads, advertisement creatives made and printed, promotion by way of print media, digital media, social media, running ad campaigns, etc. So all these promotional activities for giving ads, the organization needs to incur some cost on these activities. Now, a budget is an expression in monetary terms of the forward plan and the proposed activity. So, advertising plan includes sale targets, product facts, market information, competitive situation, creative platform, copy treatment, etc. Right? And advertising budget is also a translation of an advertising plan, right, into a monetary form. When you make a plan for advertising, now this advertising plan is being translated into advertising budget. Now you are actually at the stage for spending that money which you had kept aside in your planning part, that this much I am going to spend this year or in this quarter on giving ads. So actually now it's the time for translation and actually spending the money, right? So this is where I have tried to show you that when an organization plans how much percentage, what all platforms I'll be using to give my ads and how much percentage of money I'll be spending on different platforms. Like you can see 40%, the maximum share or the part of money spent would be by an organization might be on online development and advertising. Then we talk about 20% on mass media platform, then 15% will be spent on print and direct marketing, then 10% on some kind of signatures, then 5% by giving ads or participating in some kind of events, right? And then 5% in tracking and research, and 5% cost might be incurred might be kept for opportunity fund, right? So this is how an organization might divide the money, the percentage, the total money which will be spent in different platforms in different percentages while planning about the advertising budget. Now we talk about the preparation of advertising budget. So when an advertising budget is prepared, there are certain steps to be followed. First is setting the advertising goals. These advertising goals will be set in parallel to the objectives or the goals of the organization. Then determining or finding out the activities that are required to be done. Then next step is trying to find out and prepare the components of advertising budgets. So that means that what all elements should be included in advertising budget. Then getting the budget approved by the management, that is the fourth step. And then after the approval is there, then allocation of funds for different activities proposed under advertising plan, that is here allocation of funds in different activities. This is this stage. And then the last is the periodically some kind of monitoring has to be done, that is the control part. And for the few slides I'll be showing you the actual steps of preparation. So their last step will be the control. That means actually what budget was set, is the company actually incurring that, or some percentage of money to be spent has crossed that limit, right? So trying to control the budget. So that is periodically monitoring the expenses being incurred on the advertising process. So these are main 4 steps, how we divide the budgeting process. These are the 4 steps: preparation of budget, then presentation and approval of budget. So in the first step, a budget, a rough plan is prepared. Then the actual person who is dealing or making this advertising budget, the actual employee or the team, will be showing this budget presentation to the higher management and getting approval, because ultimately higher management is going to approve and give money and allot percentage of money to spend on ads, right, if they approve it. Then third is actually it comes the time when the budget prepared and planned is going to be executed. And the last is the controlling part, that is continuous monitoring has to be done. So these are the 4 steps I just mentioned: collection of data and preparation of budget, then presentation and approval of budget, then budget execution, and the control of budget. So let's discuss them one by one. When we talk about collection of data and preparation of budget, it includes that finding out the size of the future advertising appropriation in the first step, right, by preparing the advertising budget. So in this, the budget must be allocated among different market segments at different time periods in different geographical areas, depending upon the potential of that particular market within the segment period or the geographical location or area. So data has to be collected and the budget has to be prepared in the first step in the advertising budget process. Now we come to the second step, that is presenting and taking approval from the higher management regarding the advertising budget. So the next step here is that the budget has been developed and the advertising head of the company is going to give the presentation of the planned advertising budget in consultation with the external agency which the organization is going to hire to give ads, right? So the advertising head of the organization and the external agency head both are going to collectively give a presentation in front of the management and to seek the approval of the budget. Then the third is budget execution. If the approval, 100% approval is there from the management, or some kind of modifications or some kind of subtractions are there, right? So whatever suggestions are there from the higher management after their approval, the third step says that now it is the time when the advertising budget has to be actually executed. That is the third step of the budget making process. Here the administration of advertising spending is the routine activity, and the important task taken here is the purchase of authorized time and space in different media. So whatever different platforms are going to be used by an organization to give ads, now on those different media platforms time has to be taken, space has to be purchased. That is what the organization is going to give money for, right? For example, there is going to be a news for example at 8 a.m. in the morning, right, on say Aaj Tak. So at 8:15 there will be a commercial ad shown to the public. So at 8:15 XYZ company ad will be shown, right? So that is the proper time and space has to be purchased from the media platform companies. So the cost of advertising production, such as making television commercials, is also a significant element in the overall expenditure of the advertising budget. Here comes the fourth step, that is how to control the budget. It is the duty of advertising manager to see whether the actual advertising expenses coincide with the budget expenditure or not. Right, a procedure has to be evolved by the advertising manager. A procedure has to be developed which from time to time gives information about the actual current expenditure to the advertising team and manager of the organization. Then we come to the next topic, that is advertising budget method. So till here we talked about what is an advertising budget, and we talked about the 4 different steps which are involved in the budget process or in the preparation of budget, right? Now what different budget methods can be used by an organization? You can see on your screen. An organization might use a percentage of sales method, budget method, then competitive parity method, objective and task method, market share, all available funds method, unit sales, and affordable method. So let's talk about them in brief one by one. When an organization chooses the first method, that is the percentage of sales, under this method the advertising budget is set as a percentage of either the advertising budget is set based on the either the past sale of the organization or expected future sales. If for example an organization is expecting this much future sale, or some expectations are there in the next quarter, so based on that expected future sales, the advertising budget is set by the organization. And usually this percentage of sales advertising budget method is used by small businesses. Then in case of competitive parity, this method says that advertising budget is set as per the advertising budget of your competitor, looking into what your competitor is, how much your competitor is spending on ads, right? So that similar results can be generated, right? Then objective and task, this is based on the advertising objectives under this method. Based on the objectives, the cost is estimated to complete those objectives. So looking into the objectives, cost is decided so that those particular objectives can be achieved by the organization. Then when we talk about the market share advertising budget, this includes the advertising budget is based on the market share of the organization. If a company is having a higher market share, then it would like to spend less in marketing the product, right? So if a higher market share for an organization, then less marketing budget. If low market share, then higher marketing budget. So this totally goes hand in hand. The advertising budget here goes exactly hand in hand with the market share ratio of the organization. Then all available funds method says that it is a very aggressive method because under this all the available profits by an organization are totally spent on advertising activities. So here the organization is totally spending all the available funds on giving ads, and usually this all available funds budget methods is used by the organizations who are generally new startups, who are generally businesses who are totally new in the market, who have just started their business, right? So their aim here is to earn and again invest in ads, earn and then promote, so that more and more customers can be attracted. Then when we talk about unit sales budget method, under this method the cost of advertising per article is calculated, and based on the total number of articles, how much articles you have sold, based on the cost of those articles, the advertising budget is set. The last is affordable. Very simple, very easy, and the name is telling you that company tries to find out that this is what my pocket allows and this is what how much I can afford to spend on advertising. So this much I am going to spend, whether it might be high, it might be low, it might be medium. So totally depending on the affordability of the organization, how much it wants to spend and can afford easily. So in this class we have discussed about the different advertising budgets, right, and we have also talked about the 4 steps of advertising budget process. And what were these 4 steps? These included collection of data and preparation of budget, presentation and approval from the higher management, budget execution and control of budget. So advertising budget we have done, the process, it's all 4 steps, and the different advertising methods also we have discussed in today's class. We'll be discussing about the next topics in the following lecture. Thank you and take care.